Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to my channel. So we are going to make out this fine fabric with a small dress. This one will be the upper part of it, and why this the black material is the down part, and I'm going to cut from the black material a peplum, and we will now join the front, like the upper part and the down part together to form our small dress that we are sewing for a baby. So please stay tuned and watch my video down to the end. Please subscribe to my channel and share it for others to see, so that they too can see and learn and also cut on their own. So let's get started now. Go ahead now to start with the down part of it, like for the black material. So I will be folding it in 4 pieces like this. This is the first folding side. Fold it like this, and then I will now refold it again. Okay, let me fold it this way. So I'm going to fold it like this. So please watch my video down to the end and also share it for others to see. So this is the first folding. So I will now refold it like this again, making it that 4 parts. So it's peplum round cutting that we are cutting out of this fabric. So let me cut out this side of it so that we can start with this side with the measurement. So I will use my scissors to do that and cut it out. Now I've cut out the part, so now we are going to start on this place. So this place is unfold, this area is unfold, so that is where I will place my tape at this edge and mark 4 inches round. So this side will be the waist side, that the upper side. So I'm going to hold my tape like this and be marking that 4 inches round, and as we are marking it, that is the waist measurement round, and the waist measurement is 26 inches. So that is the waist. So I will also check it to see what I have here. So that is it, exactly 26. So you know it's round cut. By the time we finish opening it here now, it will be that 26, and it will be more than that a little. I know for a child we would like to also gather it, but let's leave it this way now. So that is the 26 inches. So for the length now, I'll go ahead now. Let me start from this side and get our length. That is 7 inches. So on that 7 inches is what I will be marking round like this. You know it's peplum that we are making, a round peplum. That is what we are cutting. So I will just continue to hold my tape and place my tape like this on that line that will mark that 4 inches on the waist, and continue to mark to get our length, and our length is 7 inches. So that is my 7 inches that I'm marking around like this. So this is how you also make your own when you want to make your own, and I want you to look at it very well so that you can be able to cut on your own. You can see that it's very easy, that we have just finished marking it round now. You can see the way we mark the waist, and coming to the length, we also mark it like this to get our round waist and the length, because it's a peplum. And the way we folded our fabric, you can see the way we also folded it. So that is how you will get that round cutting on your peplum. So the next step is just for us now to cut. I will start from the waist part like this and cut it out like this. So that is for the waist. So coming to the down part, that is for the length now. I will also go ahead now to cut it like this. After cutting it, I will open it out for you to see how it is now to get that our round cut. So that is it. So I can now open it for you to see. So can you see how it is now, the way it flare out? And also to open it out like this again, also open it out, you can see how it is now. So this is our round peplum that we have finished cutting out now. So you can see, let me also shift it again so that you can see it very well. You can see how it is now. So we just hold it like this again to open one side of it, so that by the time we want to fix our zip, we have a place to fix it. So I will go ahead now to open this side of it like this. So you can see now. So by the time I want to fix it on the waist, we'll start from the edge like this and fix it round on the upper part that we are going to cut now. So let's do that now. Let's cut the upper part of the top. The fabric that we are using for the upper part now is a net fabric, and I folded it now like this. So I will go ahead now to take my length. So I will start from this upper part. To take my length is 12.5 inches. So that is my 12.5 inches here. So after that now, I will start with the neck by marking 3 inches like this and bring down the neckline by 3 inches also. I also curve it like this. So that is for the neck. So after that, I'll go ahead for the shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 12 inches. That is 6 when you divide it by 2. So that is my 6 inches. And then using my hand to rule it like this to connect it. So after that, again, I will go ahead now to mark from my shoulder to my chest line 6 inches. So then place my tape to get my bust. My bust is 28. Divide it by 4. That will give us 7 inches. So that is my 7 inches. And add 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. And then placing my tape on that line for my chest line, mark 1.5 inches to curve my armhole. So I've curved my armhole. So come to the down part of it here is the waist measurement. My waist is 26 inches. So that is my 26 inches. That is 6.5 inches on my tape. And then add 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. And then connect together like this. So that is it now. So after that, I will go ahead now to also mark for the neck line at the back, the depth, bringing it by 1.5 inches and then curve it like this. Also to slope my shoulder, half inch. So that is my half inch and then connect it like this, like to slope it like this. So I finish the measurement now. So that is the front piece that we just finished marking out. So then I'll go ahead now to cut it out. So I'll cut out from this part like this. So this is it. So that, let me take this one out. So I'll just place it like this now for you to see very well. And then cut the neck line now. So the neckline that I'm cutting out like this is the back neck, because I'm going to use this front to cut out the front, the back piece later. So I'll be using it to cut it. So let me use it to cut the back neckline here. So can you see what I'm doing? So please subscribe and watch my video down to the end, please. Also share it for others to see. So can you see how it is now? So this is the front part now. So let me use it now to cut the back piece now. This is my back piece now, using my front piece to lay on it and then adding 1 inch for the zipper side. So that's my 1 inch for my zipper allowance. And then I will just cut it now because all our measurement has been done at the front piece. So then I will go ahead now to cut. So let me place it well so that it will line together. That is for the design. So I will go ahead now to cut it like this. So after doing all of this, we'll be heading to the machine to go and stitch. So you can see why I cut the neckline like this with the front piece first. So because I'm using it to cut out the back neckline now, before we will now cut our front neckline. We have not done that. Is the back piece that we cut out first for the neck. So this is it now. So this is how I'm going to go and sew it on the machine. That is taking it to go and sew after cutting like this. So that is it. So I will also open the zipper part like this, and then Now is the front neckline. You can see I did it, raising it up so that my scissors will not cut the back piece, cut the back neckline and the front for the depth is not the same. So that is it. So you can see that I've finished cutting the fabric now. So just for us now to head to the machine to go and stitch. And then we'll also come and show you the next step. My dress will have a band at the front of the upper part. So I'll go ahead now to fold it this way and then mark the inch that I need. It's 2 inches, but I will make it up to 2.5 inches, so that by the time we finish sewing it, we'll turn back to that 2 inches. So that is my 2.5 inches like this. So then I will just cut it out and go and stitch it on the front, because it's only the front side that will have that band. So that is it. So I will not take it to go and run on the front part now. So let me do that. I'm going to join the band now, so you can see that it has started coming out like the style. So now we are going to join the body part now. So I'll go ahead now to measure the bust. So this is my bust, 28 inches. So these are 28 inches, and cut it out, one that will remain. So 1, 2, 3, that is 1.5 inches, and that is what we added when we doing the measurement. So coming to the waist 26. So these are 26, 1, 2, 3. So 1.5 inches also. And this side, coming to this side, 1.5 inches also. And then you connect. So I'll connect it like this. And then using my back piece to join it and go and sew it. So I will join the shoulder first before joining the body part. So let's go ahead now to go and join it on the machine now and fix our peplum. I will be joining my peplum now. So the band is fixed. So this is the peplum. So I'll go ahead now to go and join it at the waist round like this. So this is the remaining part that we'll go and fix at the zipper side. So my journey will start from the zipper side. So I will do that now. So let me join it and show you how it is now. Our fine dress is ready. So I've gone to fix the peplum. So everything is complete now. So we can wear it out for our baby. So this is how we came to achieve this style. You can see how we cut the upper part and the down part. I will also cut the peplum that give us this shape. You can see the way it's buttoning up like this is the cutting. You know, we cut it that round cut of peplum. So this is how we go about it for today. So please watch my video down to the end, and if you don't understand what we did, please rewatch the video so that you can see every detail that we did there, and also you can watch, you can learn from it. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, share it for others to see so that they too can watch and learn, and also comment on the comment section. I will see your comment and I will reply you. So please take care. Thank you for watching once more. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.